What is Office 365? G'day, Damien here from IT Next Generation. Office 365 is a suite of applications and online services built for business. It's one of Microsoft's cloud service offerings and it's been hugely successful. Office 365 combines many of the core features of your traditional server-based network into a cloud service offering that is tightly integrated into the Microsoft Office suite of applications that everybody knows how to use and loves. Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint seamlessly connect into your corporate SharePoint and personal OneDrive data stores to allow you to securely access your data from anywhere, as well as collaborate with colleagues and clients. OneNote is a great tool for collaborating individually or in small teams. It's great for bringing together lots of disparate information into one place, and it works across all your devices, so you can make a quick note while on the go and turn it into a polished proposal when you're back at your desk. Teams is a product that's really starting to gain some momentum. Teams is built for collaboration first, and then it leverages the features of all the other Office applications to increase productivity and visibility. Office 365 starts at around $9 a user per month and then scales up. It's packed full of powerful applications and is ideally priced, even for small business. Talk to your IT advisor about how you can leverage more value out of your Office 365 environment. And if you're not using Office 365, find out how it compares to your current environment. For more information, visit our website at itng.com.au.